Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by collecting the essentials and then take the first actionable steps. Sign into your Google account, open the Cards tool or Google Search Console card builder, and paste the target URL. Next, select the card type, info, action, or media, because that determines fields and behavior. Then upload a 16:9 image and enter a concise title plus a 1-2 sentence description. Once done, make sure file sizes are under limits, so validation runs smoothly and you avoid later errors. Now you continue by filling every required field and configuring behavior. Enter a clear title, a short description, and a single call to action. Set the destination URL and add alt text for the image so accessibility is preserved. Then adjust crop and image focal point to avoid text cutoffs and toggle analytics or tracking if needed. Use the preview pane to test different viewport sizes, because a card that looks fine in one size can break in another. Fix any truncation or encoding issues before moving on. Finish by validating and publishing the card, then watch its performance. Click the Validate or Submit button, resolve any highlighted errors, and publish. Once live, track impressions and clicks so you can refine the title, description, or image for better engagement. If the card does not appear, check robots. TXT, structured data on the page, and propagation delays, clear caches or request reindexing when necessary. One key troubleshooting tip: if validation fails repeatedly, simplify fields and revalidate to.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.